Today I am going to share crispy chicken keema Piyaju recipe. It's very simple and easy. Ramadan Series 2025. Chicken keema marination preparation. Keema 500 grams. Onion 1 cup. Green chili 3 tablespoon. Coriander leaf 3 tablespoon. Cumin powder 1 teaspoon. Garam masala ½ teaspoon. Ginger powder 1 teaspoon. Garlic powder 1 teaspoon. Cumin seeds 1 teaspoon. Rice flour 1/3 cup. All-purpose flour 1/3 cup. Chili powder 1 teaspoon. Salt to taste. Mix. Done. Rest for 20 minutes. Time to fry. Fry until golden brown. Flip. Done. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.